Hello students, welcome to today's moral science class for 10th class. For 10th class students, our first lesson is the beauty of silence. The main motive of to inculcate the moral science subject in 10th class is to develop your personality, motivate you to live a happy and soothing life and fulfilled life. Students, life is not always earning money, having a good job, having a great family, having good cars, expensive houses. But actually, the life is about how you live it, how fully you live your life, how you feel from inside, you feel satisfied from inside, or you feel something emptiness in yourself. So the main motive of moral science classes, moral science subject in 10th, 9th classes to fulfill you from inside. You shouldn't remain empty. You should be a very happy person when you develop into a responsible citizen of the world. You become a cosmopolitan. Second motive of this moral science subject is to teach you the moral values, how to live a life that will have greater moral aspects, that will have integrity, that will have your integrity and fulfillment and dignity of life. To increase the dignity of life, we have to discuss some subjects, some topics. The first topic is the beauty of silence. Students, the silence is one of the greatest virtues of human being that he or she can feel. So before start of the chapter, there are some questions. First question is, it is written that think and share. The view I can't give you, that you have to think, you have to share, you have to write those answers down on your notebooks in the true sense of the life that you live. First question is, how important is silence in the noisy world? If there might be different answers, different persons will answer it differently, not a fixed answer for that. But if someone asks me how important is silence in this noisy world, I will say that silence is having the greatest importance in one's life in this noisy world. Students, we are listening to different noises, honking of cars, all the high pitch songs on TV, on DJs, and we scream at each other because we are not with rest with ourselves, we are not in peace with ourselves, we are not in peace with our family members, we are not in peace with the society. We have different types of honking, different types of screaming. We scream at others who do not belong to our belief. We scream at others who do not agree with us. So in this noisy world, there are different types of noises of technology, noises of your beliefs, noises of ego that come from inside. But when you go to a beach, a silent mountain, sit there, you can go for a walk in the evening, go to fields, go to a silent place, then ask this question, how important is silence in this noisy world? When there is nothing to listen, there is complete silence around you, then there is some richness that is coming from inside of you. You ask questions to yourself, you ask question, who am I? What the life is, what the motive of life, why we are here on this earth, what is the purpose of God to produce human beings. These questions arise when you are in complete silence, you are sitting in complete silence, you are at peace with yourself, you are at peace with society. So the first question that is given in your book is very important one. How important is silence in this noisy world? I will say it is of the utmost importance because silence gives us a chance to live with ourselves. We live all life for others, to show ourselves to others how rich I am, how greater I am, how is my post. I am an IAS officer, I am a greater businessman, I am a great teacher. We live life to tell others who am I, but we never ask any question to ourselves. So when you sit in silence, you have complete silence, not from outside, from inside also. When all the questions stops arising from inside, when no question is arising from inside, in our heritage, Rishi Munis say that Samadhi, Sun, nothing is there in our Hriday, in our brain, nothing is there inside of us, complete silence. Then these questions arise and we try to find answers to these questions. Second question is, does tuning out of the noisy world help us? It certainly helps us. If you are experiencing when you have turned out from outside world, you are in complete lockdown, then you can't sit at silence with you. You always talk to your parents, your buddies, your peers, your brothers, sisters and others. You keep busy with phone because you can't keep silent. But this is a chance for you. Sit in a room for 1 or 2 hours where no noise is there, nobody enters your room for 1 or 2 days. It will be like a meditation. It will be difficult for you, but after 2 or 3 days, you will start enjoying this silence. When there is nothing to do, when nobody asks you any question, and you are not answerable to anyone for that time being, that will be a greatest time of your life. Then you will start to realize that what is the motive of keeping silent, what is the importance of being silent. So this noise also shouldn't come from outside as well as from inside. Sometimes we keep ourselves closed in closed doors, but our inside keeps us talking with us. We don't feel silence from inside. Try to feel silence from inside also. Then you see how soothing experience it is, how it is soothing to talk to yourself, then slowly, without any talk, not to the world, not to yourself, complete silence. That is called Sun, Shunya or Samadhi in our heritage, or complete silence in Western heritage. This is the same thing, so we should enjoy it. And I don't say we should enjoy it, you will enjoy it, certainly you will enjoy it. Keep silent for some time, switch off your mobile, switch off your TVs, nothing else, nobody to talk. First try to talk to yourself, then slowly all talks from inside should go down, should stop. Then you will see how soothing the experience is, how you feel just like you are living in heaven. Third question is, what comes to your mind when you hear noise and silence? So according to me, I can't live in noise. Might be experiencing in class that when a little noise is there, I feel disturbed. I have to close doors. Sometimes I have to go against what shouldn't be done, because doors of the classroom shouldn't be closed. But a little noise disturbs me. You might have your own experiences. I enjoy complete silence. I can teach in complete silence. I can read in complete silence. When there is little disturbance, I can't do anything, because when you have to do all the work from your heart and soul, you need silence. You need not any disturbance. So when there is a noise, I hear noise, I feel disturbed, I can't bear noise. But silence gives me heavenly like experience, heavenly like happiness, heavenly like peace that I enjoy the most. You should pen down your experiences. I have told you my experiences. Next is, in self-reflection. Is self-reflection important to human development? So I think our 10 minutes are over. These 3 questions we will do in next session. Fourth question is self-reflection important to human development? Fifth is how is experience and reflection related. Sixth one is what is the relation between silence and emotions. These questions we will try to answer in next session. For you should remain in silence. Try to be silent for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour. Try to be silent from inside also. Give rest to ideas, absurd ideas that are coming to your mind every time. So when you give rest to these ideas, then new ideas will prosper. That idea will give you the meaning of life. That idea will give you the real meaning, what you are, who you are, and why you are here on this planet Earth, who has sent you to planet Earth. These answers can be answered only in complete silence from outside and inside. So until then, we will take other questions. Thank you very much. Enjoy your life and keep away from mobiles, TVs, DJs, and loud music. Thank you very much.